Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. Happy after New Year. I'm not sure when you guys are going to be seeing this video, but it was filmed actually in 2018, at the end of 2018. So I want to wish everybody a happy beginning to 2019. Hopefully this year is a better year for all of us in terms of health and happiness for ourselves and for our families. To get started for this new year, this odd new year of 2019, I'm not really big on odd years, but I have my fingers crossed. This is going to be a good one. We are going to be starting this new year out with one of my favorite things to talk about, and that is tinted moisturizers. I'm a big fan of tinted moisturizers. I normally wear a tinted moisturizer every day. I'm really big on tinted moisturizers. I know it's tough if you have a lot of imperfections that you want to cover, but if you want something that makes your skin look like skin, I think they're the best bet. So what I have been testing out the past couple weeks is this product. It is from First Aid Beauty. This product was sent to me for review. I specifically asked for it because of a few things. It's a tinted moisturizer, number one. It has an SPF of 30. I normally prefer a 50, but 30 is still very good. What I liked about this is it has a natural luminous finish. And because I have drier skin and I live in a dry climate, I'm always looking for tinted moisturizers that are going to give me a lot of hydration and make my skin look kind of dewy and healthy. So this is what I'm going to be demoing in this video. I'll tell you a little bit about the product. It says it is safe for sensitive skin. I had no problems with this at all. There's no artificial fragrance that you have to worry about. And I'm a big fan of First Aid Beauty products. So let's get into the demo. I'll tell you right now, I really do like this. It's very lightweight coverage, but of course that's because it's a tinted moisturizer. You can't expect coverage like a foundation. I really do love this. Put this on my face right when I go out for a walk, so I have a little bit of coverage, so it helps with my skin tone, making it a little bit more even, and it feels so lightweight on the skin, feels so beautiful on. It just feels like you just put on a beautiful tinted moisturizer. So let's get started with the demo. This is how I received the tinted moisturizer in this box from First Aid Beauty, and you can see it's a broad spectrum SPF 30 with a natural luminous finish. I got the shade medium, and it does say it is safe for sensitive skin. It comes in a squeeze tube, which I really liked, and the color of the medium worked really well for my skin tone. It was kind of more of a peachier rather than a pinker shade. I thought it worked really well for my skin. It has kind of a whipped mousse-like formulation, and that's supposed to not clog any of your pores. Because I am uber dry, I am still going to prep my skin with just a touch of very lightweight oil, let that soak in, and then apply my tinted moisturizer. I use Retin A, so I really kind of have to double up on my moisturizing products in the morning. I preferred to apply this with my fingers. I felt that was the best way to not waste any of product. You can see that the medium shade really is a perfect match to my skin tone, and I'm only going to apply it to one side of my face so you can kind of compare what the tinted moisturizer looks like and compare that to the other side of my face that doesn't have any product on at all. Best way to get it really rubbed into my skin so it looked just like my skin, and this went on like a beautiful moisturizer. Very hydrating and silky smooth. This tinted moisturizer has vitamin E, it has hyaluronic acid, it also has other nourishing ingredients. It does provide the skin with 12 hours of hydration with a broad spectrum SPF 30. It contains colloidal oatmeal, and that's supposed to help calm and soothe any dryness or distressed skin you might have. It contains xylanthanin, which helps reduce redness, calm and soothe sensitive skin. It also contains natural mineral
mineral pigments and micro pearls that give a clean, buildable coverage to enhance the skin's natural radiance. It contains vitamin E, which is a very rich antioxidant, and that helps soothe the skin and help with environmental aggressors. And the micro pearls are very finely milled minerals that have light reflecting properties, really makes the skin look very luminous. What I like about First Aid Beauty is it doesn't have any parabens, sulfates, or phthalates, and they consider their products to be formulated with really only clean, skin-loving ingredients. I enjoyed this. I love this. I thought this would work very well for someone that has dry skin, someone that lives in a dry climate and wants their skin to look very healthy and luminous and hydrated. Maybe if I was in Florida with a lot of humidity, I'm not sure how much I would like this, but out here in Colorado with my dry skin, this was beautiful. It gave me just a little bit of coverage, not a lot, but enough that I could actually apply my makeup and really look put together. Take care. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer.